Okay, this video will teach you how to change the back handle motherboard if you found your lock having the problem like the lock keep repeating, auto locking mode, manual locking mode, auto reload mode, they're gonna keep repeating. So this is the problem, is the back motherboard problem lah. So you have to change a new set of back motherboard. First, you have already no problem back motherboard, and then go to the back handle here. You can find there's a 5 screw here, 6 screw. This one. You have to open it first, and then there is a glue on the wire connector there. This here also. You have to remove the glue first. First, you try to use a minus. Okay. Then clean all the glue on the motherboard first. So this is the first on the battery first. You can do you can peel it off if easy to peel off one. So after you peel off, you found there is no glue around the cable. You can use the clip. It's a clipper. Just pull out this one. Okay, and it should be okay already. And then the bottom side one as well. You can clear the glue first. Okay, for this one, if the glue on the wire side just slightly pull out, you don't pull out too hard because okay, you are broke. So just make sure there is no glue on the side here. You can just clean the glue first. Okay, so as you can see, the glue is already clean, and this one I have to clean it as well, or just plug out the wire, just ensure the wire no broke lah. So same, after they clean the glue, put out the cable, same with the speaker one. Or you can just put, you have to clear the glue first. So after clear the glue, you can slightly use your hand to pull out the wire, like left right. Oh, then you can pull out already. So after you plug out all these three cable, this is model cable, this is speaker, this is battery one, then you can start open your 6 screw already. Ready a case. This is the first one, second one, then third one, and then the fourth one. This one. Okay. The fifth one. Okay. So this one you can remove as well. So you are easy more. The sixth one has 6 screw here. Okay, Then put aside all the spare part. Then you can straight pull out your cable, the motherboard already. So this is, if this is defected, you can just put aside. Then put in the new one. Okay. And then because in the this is the speaker is still can use, so you can just put out the new one first. Okay. Then just plug in. So you can use a spray, the digital spray to clean the connectors area. If don't have, it's okay. You don't have, just make sure the motherboard is clean. Then just plug in the wire, or you can just put on the lock first. Go make sure this one is can come out from here lah. Just make it sit all the place correctly. Okay, then it will look like this. Okay, and then screw one screw to hold the motherboard first. On the middle side. Okay, then you can just plug in the wire. Okay, then the motor one, then the battery one. Okay, so now you can just test the motherboard first, test the lock whether it can work normally or not.
Auto relock mode.
Okay, so look like the lock is can work normally lah.
Verification successful. Door closed.
Okay, you are got no any sound. Okay, you can try switch.
Manual locking mode. Auto relock mode. Manual locking mode.
Okay, manual mode.
Verification
Okay.
successful.
Now I close the door again. Because now I'm set to manual mode, so the lock have to press the correct, then only you are lock back.
Door closed.
So the auto manual mode work normally now. The card also can work.
Successful.
Then try test the lock again. See whether the motherboard connected with the front motherboard front panel is okay to working.
Auto relock mode.
So as you can see, the power will go back to normal state lah. So when the lock is fall in static mode. Okay. So if like this is you ensure already the motherboard is okay, so you can just screw back all the screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Screw back, and then it should be can work already. But for my model, this is the R65. There's a switch button. If for R6 5K, there's no switch button here, so you no need to adjust. Just need to ensure the switch button is correctly put in. So we will put in like this. So this is the switch button. Okay. Then after you put in, you can just put back. Okay, then you can screw back all the screw again. Okay. This is the cover for the latching one, so avoid the dusty air to filter the dust one. Okay. Then the cover will filter the dust as well. Okay. They got different size of the screw. Let's screw back all the screw, then should be okay already. Okay, after that you can still use the hot glue gun. One more screw. There's one more screw here. Okay, after that you can use the hot glue gun with the glue. Then glue on the side of the area. So with the lock pipe, with the glue gun get hit, then you can just glue over. As long you glue over the connector area, then should be okay. Just make the wire connector not easy to pull out, should be okay already. Then you can just plug in, then should be okay already. So after you test all the everything before.